Are you looking for the best wood glue for reliable in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best wood glue for reliable that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Starbond O22. First of all, this is a premium quality ethyl cyanocrylate glue that is tested in labs before being sold. It is often used by professional woodworkers and construction workers to glue pieces together. At first glance, you will love the thin consistency that makes it easier for it to penetrate surfaces. It can easily infiltrate and get absorbed by the wood through capillary action. The glue will then settle in place to create and seal the bonds. The package comes with different extra accessories, which include applicator caps and micro tips. It's not unusual for the original cap to get clogged, especially if the glue is not removed properly. Hence, the spare options will ensure smooth performance at all times. That's not all. This product is known for its superior durability and will last on the shelf for years. Just ensure that you tighten the cap well after use to preserve the glue inside. Up next in the 4th place is the Gorilla Glue. One of the most common problems with glues is that the cap becomes clogged after a while. But this brand took it into consideration and came up with anti-clog caps so that the glue can come out easily. Moreover, they prevent the glue from drying up, thereby prolonging its shelf life. We were also impressed with how fast it dries up and secures things in place. Owing to its fast setting formula, the wood blocks will bond to each other within 45 seconds at the most. If the wood is thin and you have used a lesser amount of glue, then it can even dry within 15 seconds. Additionally, this product works with a number of surfaces, ranging from paper, leather, and wood to ceramic, metal, and many others. The versatility truly surprised us, and we are very satisfied with this product. The 3rd product on our list is the Elmer's 287359. To begin with, this product works on both interior and exterior surfaces. It is waterproof and will not become yellow over time. Hence, you can use it for exterior wooden tables and deck chairs. Moving on, the formula can be used with pets and kids in the vicinity. While consumption of the glue should be prevented, it is known to be a non-toxic formula and should not cause harm. Moreover, you can sand the layer after applying the glue, but wait for it to dry fully. Paint can also be applied post-sanding, and you would be getting a smooth layer. Additionally, we found that the glue prevents the growth of mildew and mold. This is a very impressive property, and you can use this option for deck furniture too. Since these furniture pieces are exposed to more moisture, the glue will help in protecting them. Second on our list is the Glue Masters Adhesive. This is a thick viscous liquid that works perfectly well when used with wood and shoe soles, and it can be used to repair small items around the house. Many people use it for making models for their school or work projects. Others use it for professional work on construction sites. Next, the glue will not run and hence will not spread to unnecessary places. Instead, you can apply it right where required, and the thin nozzle will help in it. The thin tip is easy to control, and you will be able to get the glue into thin or narrow spaces. Moreover, the glue settles down within a minute or 90 seconds, and you should not face any problems. Leave it for another 10 to 15 minutes, and it will dry up completely. Finally, the top product on our list is the Gorilla Glue Company. This is another product that can be used both indoors and outdoors on different kinds of wooden surfaces. The surfaces include softwood, hardwood, and natural wood types, which match the glue when it comes to color. What's more, you can clamp the surfaces together for around 20 to 30 minutes after applying the glue. It will be cured within that time, and you can finish the job quickly. We were able to make an entire cabinet within a single day, thanks to the quick drying formula. Here, we will recommend leaving the product for a day after the work is done. Let it dry completely, and you can begin using the furniture the next day. Plus, the glue can be used on bare wood surfaces too. You just need to clean the top and apply the glue. It is FDA compliant and will not cause any harm to you in case it comes in contact with edibles indirectly. And that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.